Hello everyone. That wasn't part of the intro. I just wanted to scoot back on my chair, but it was too heavy, and it kind of looked like I pretended to sit down. And never mind that. All right. We just spent like around 20 seconds just making me explain all this. All right. So my parents got me a new. How do you say that? Oh, it's not new, but it's something that I've wanted my whole life, and I finally have it, and I'll go get it right now. Yeah, that's what I want. All right, this is what's exciting. A VR. Oh, it's backwards, but you get it. It's VR. My parents bought it, and holy cow, it's not even Christmas yet. I wanted to do an unboxing video, and yeah, so just watch me unbox it, and yeah, I'm strong, and I did not set that up. I promise. I don't know if that's copyright. I don't know any copyright things, so I don't know copyright rights or whatever, however you pronounce it. Extra. We don't need that. VR. Holy cow! Controls left stick. Oh. Cool. But the main deal, warning, I'll read that afterwards, but the main deal is this. This is so cool. I'm peeling off. I don't know if you're supposed to do this. Whoa. This is so cool. I think I put it on backwards. I did not. Ugh. I need to pause the video for a sec. Well, I put it on just so I can't see anything. Hello. I need to go show my mom. I can see you guys. Mom. I think that's how you put it on, right, Mom?
Hey, I don't know.
I can't really see in this. No, I don't see anything. Well, because I haven't linked it up yet.
I don't know, baby. I don't know.
Check this out. I can't.
Yeah, I see the camera.
Is that actually how it's connected? Cause I don't know. I don't know what kind of.
Did it come with instructions?
Yeah, it did. All right. I'll take this off. Oh, here it is. English. Here you go. Get out of here. Place your mobile phone into the VR headset. Adjust the straps. That's it? I'll be right back. Well, this is gonna be so hard. I'll post another video when I finally get this to work. See you guys next time. Remember, fight to the end, my subscribers.